Hey everyone, welcome to Shulin Anubha Academy. I'm Anubha, a corporate trainer working with some of the leading companies like Oracle, HCL, Wipro, UST Global, Capgemini, Deloitte, and many more. So, guys, today we are diving into the basics of data structures and algorithms, the backbone of problem solving in programming. But why should you study DSA? DSA is crucial because it helps you to write the efficient code. Whether you are sorting data, searching for information, or optimizing the performance, DSA gives you the tool to solve the problems effectively and quickly. Think about Google search. Finding relevant information from billions of web pages in seconds, requires powerful algorithms. Or Netflix recommendations, which use DSA to suggest that what you might like to watch next. Understanding DSA is a key to create such impactful solutions. So, what exactly is an algorithm? It is a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. Like a recipe that tells you how to bake a cake, an algorithm tells your computer how to perform a task. To make the algorithms work, you need data structures. There are ways of organizing and storing the data. Think of them as the containers that hold and arrange your data, making it easier for the algorithms to process. Mastering DSA is like gaining the superpower in coding. It is not just about passing interviews, it is about becoming a better problem solver. So, start your DSA journey today and open up a world of possibilities. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you next time.